Welcome my friends, and just wanted to share in this video how to make passive income with Kindle and using Stefan's K Money Mastery program. So I just wanted to show you the books that I have published. Now, these books, because I work in video games and I'm an animator and I do a bit of drawing, so I thought I always wanted to do a book on yoga, the poses and stuff, because in animation poses are so important to do. So I thought I can just practice my little skills on drawing and stuff. So it was a nice opportunity for me to just practice and do something that I could just say, put something out there that is part of my field as well, that I enjoy doing. But I just wanted to show you that whatever interest you have, or even if you don't have an interest, if you pick a particular niche, you can make a book from it. So this is basically my books. I made a little series, yoga handbook series, and they're just very simple. I've just got little drawings here, table of contents. I've got drawings of different sanas, yoga sanas, poses, and just benefits of what they do for you. Literally just a little handbook to quickly just give you the poses and just little drawings as well, and also I've got a t-shirt store as well, which you can do as well. If once I've done my drawings, I thought, why not just do a t-shirts with it as well. So they will all be in the link below, you can check them out. But these are just basically just poses I've done, and this is kids one, which was particularly good with schools. A lot of schools like these ones. I just check out different poses that could benefit. These are all like health benefits. And then I've got like advanced yoga poses, the really advanced ones, again with benefits on the side. So there's just poses here. I've just thought I'd take some time out and just draw and give meaning of meditation and mindfulness and all that. And this book, this was more just like quotes. I collected quotes of positivity. I done a drawing and a quote. A drawing and a quote. That's all I've done. Simple books, just to show you that you can do it too. It's very easy to do, and you can always get someone on Fiverr or Upwork to do the drawings for you if you don't want to do them yourself. But what I'll do now, I'll go into the computer and I'll show you the K Money Mastery, where I learned this, how to do this from, and you can start as well. It's not as hard as you think. So I'll just switch over to the computer now and I'll show you. All right, guys. So this is a website which I am running, which I do reviews on. Now, if you go to affiliate marketing, K Money Mastery, you click on it, it'll come up with this page. Yeah. So here's just a review of that lesson of the K Money Mastery course. So I've got a review of it, what each lesson does. It's very informative. So I would highly recommend this. You just got to apply exactly what Stefan is saying, and you will see results. And he also has how to write a book in 24 hours, which is really good. A little review on here, but it's worth checking this one out too. Okay, so this is the course. So you'll just go on here, get all the testimonies, and you can buy it here. You can buy the 24-hour book as well, and the links are all here. But I will leave a link at the bottom. So if you just go to the bottom here, I will leave a link in the description. And if you want to sign up to my newsletter, I can, and offers that I have and value I can give you for videos, you can just sign up here on my website or down here. Yeah. So I'll leave a review and I will get back here. If I show you this is an example of one of my books, which is on Amazon. Yeah. It's got 41 reviews, and it's all under the yoga niche, which is quite a big niche. Yeah. So, but if you check out this course, Stefan talks about how to research your niches, which niches to are the profitable ones. Because I did this because I really enjoyed drawing and stuff, But and he also shows you how to market your book as well, and how to hype it up before release. There's so many things he puts in there that are really valuable. But I made a book just to prove to myself that, you know, it's part of my interest, that drawing and a bit of yoga and meditation. So I wanted to do a book based on that. But Stefan will teach you that it's not always necessary to, it's not always a good thing to do what you're interested in. You want to research the niches out there that are profitable. And that's what this course does. This course does so well. You know, it targets these courses where there's, like, for example, if you go to a book, say if we go to Yoga Mind book, like, he shows you how to research it. Like, you'll go down here and it'll look here and it'll be like, all right, Amazon bestsellers, 23,000 in those. So that's where it's ranked. So what he talks about is if books are under 100,000, then it's worth doing. If they're 22,000, then it's definitely worth going in that niche. And obviously, if your books are ranking at 7,000, 8,000, then, you know, or anything under 1,000, that's brilliant. So he talks about how to find those niches and how to go on to, say, for example, Fiverr. So you can go on websites like Fiverr and you can get people to write for you. You know, you can find freelancers here. You can find freelancers on Upwork as well, which is a bit more professional and a bit more expensive, but you can find people on here. So you don't even necessarily have to do the book. You just find a niche that is profitable and find people to do it for you. And then he leaves you with all these templates as well that you can use to contact these artists and writers. So it's a very informative course. I highly recommend it. I'll leave the course link at the bottom on the description. Be sure to check it all out. Yeah. So I just wanted to share that. So making these books, people are making a lot of money from these books and passive income. So it's a business that you can start up and you don't have to necessarily know the particular niche. You can get someone to do it. So I just wanted to show you that I'll go to this website called Spreadshirt and literally just take my designs and put them on and you can create a shop. So t-shirts, anything you want for women, jackets, for men, t-shirts. So it's another way to make a bit more income on the side, yeah. So on your side hustle. So I hope you found this video helpful and I'll see you in the next video.